Hello everyone. Today we are going to see part B after part A. So let's start. So today I'm opening the file I have saved in documents. So I'm opening it. So here look, candidate names and marks. So how you will understand who is best. So you will click here and select the cells, and here you will click an insert, and there is columns and which type of column you want. I suppose columns such as this type. So look, James is blue, so he's not so good. Liba, look, Liba. So Liba is the red one and Raisa is the green one. So here MCQ is best, Liba is not, and the total marks Liba is best. So we have understood that Liba is going to appoint. So we have learned this, and now I'm going to tell you how to insert a tab. Suppose here is sheet 1 and here you will click sheet 2. Sheet 3, if you click here, sheet 4 you will delete it. No need of it. No need of sheet 3. Here in the sheet 2, this is sheet 1. Sheet 2, here I will write the identity name of parents of them. Okay. And here you can insert any picture or any clipboard or any shapes. So there is many things. You can also insert text boxes, worded. I'm going to show you. I'm inserting a picture. Look. Look. Take a picture such as this one. Okay, this is our picture. We will make it small. So by this you can insert a picture. You can move where you want. Suppose I'm making it small as a cell. So this picture is in this cell. Okay, and here is his name. Okay, and how you will insert anything such as here is text box. Let's insert a text box. Okay, this is our text box. You can move anywhere it. I'm gonna delete it. And you will search it. Suggest you will search James. Okay, so from here I will search find and select. Find what? James. 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 Find all. Here is none. Sheet 1. Here if I search James, find select, find James, find text. Look, James. Okay, it's fine. So you can take as many as cells you want. Here is 5001 lakh crore as you want. Okay, but nobody needs so much. So let's do a sum of it. So if we select this and click auto sum, these things will come out. These things added to here, these things added to here. And if we select this and click auto sum, what? Nothing is happening. Select this. Auto sum 181. So no need, so I will show you another thing, such as here is 1, 2, 3. So you will select these, such as I need one up to 25, and here I will click fill down. No. So how you will do it? You will right click and format cells. No. Sorry, I have done a mistake. I'm going to show you. So now we will, such as 1, 2, 3, here will 4. We will not write by hand. So such as there is nothing. So here from 1 to we will select these two, and from here we will select like this up to 20 we need, and we will, so look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 19 11 12 20 is 19 because in the 1 there is ID. Okay, so how you were today? Fine, thanks for watching. Okay, and you can make a page themes. So how you will change the page themes? From here you can change the themes, which type of themes you want. And here you will need no more. From here is also auto sum, you can take from there. Okay, so today no more. Bye.